California has 9 tax brackets, 216 formulas, 29-page withholding tables, and 27 taxable income ranges, which are very complex and cost more to the government, businesses, and people. These tables, ranges, and numbers are often changed almost yearly. Can the complex tax system be matched and simplified to save related costs? Our research shows complex California tax systems can be matched and simplified with one existing formula and one simple line formula in tax rate and tax format instead of current tax format, which is a good improvement to simplify current tax systems. Then the above 9 tax brackets, 216 formulas, 29-page withholding tables, and 27 taxable income ranges can be eliminated. Only 2 brackets and formulas are needed. Here are our tax bill draft and research papers. What kind tax rates are fair and simple? There are 2 types of tax rates. One is flat or step rates. Another is curve rates. They are not smooth and have cliff or jump problems. A simple line and its formula are the simplest. When there are many tax brackets, they are smooth and close to a simple line, so current rates can be matched and simplified. There were 9 tax brackets from 1% to 12.3% in 2019. The 29-page withholding tables were based on their tax rates, taxable incomes, standard deductions, and tax credits. They are complex, which can be matched and simplified with one existing formula and one line formula. Standard deductions and tax credits can be used for withholding taxes without the 29-page tables and multiple tax formulas and taxable income ranges. Their tax rate and revenue values have very minor or no difference. There were 9 tax brackets from 1% to 12.3% in 2022 and 29-page tables, but taxable income ranges are changed. They are complex, which can be matched and simplified with one existing formula and one line formula. Standard deductions and tax credits can be used for withholding taxes without the 29-page tables. Their tax rate and revenue values have very minor or no difference. Taxable income ranges in 2025 are also changed. There are 29-page withholding tables with changes. They can be matched and simplified with one existing formula and one line formula. The simplified general formulas are the same without change. Standard deductions and tax credits can be used for withholding taxes without the 29-page withholding tables. Taxable income ranges are not changed. Their tax rate and revenue values have very minor or no difference. From 2019 to 2025, income tax schedules X, Y, and Z for different tax statuses are changed yearly. Their withholding tables, taxable income ranges, and formulas are also changed, which are very complex and cost more to the government, businesses, and people. The income tax schedules are yearly basis. For withholding taxes at 8 different filing periods, there are more tables and formulas currently. The complex California tax system can be matched and simplified with one line formula and one existing formula. The 2 general formulas are in the same formats. A simple tax status number of 1, 2, or 1.5 is used for current tax status X, Y, or Z. For withholding taxes, filing periods and standard deductions and tax credits are used to eliminate current 29-page withholding tables. $240,000 at tax rate from 8% to 7.9% and 7.8% may be reduced to $120,000 at tax rate 6%, which is more close to middle tax rate. 2 formulas and brackets are good enough for state tax system simplification generally. For more accurate match to existing tax system, 3 formulas and brackets may be used as another option. For withholding taxes and payrolls, different filing period, such as 26, 12, or 52, standard deductions and credits are used. Earned Income Tax Credits Table in 2025 has 658 steps and 2,632 numbers for qualifying child number from 0 to 3. Earned income ranges are from $1 to $32,900 with 658 ranges. There are 658 jumps of earned income ranges and earned income tax credits. California earned income tax credits over average earned incomes can be calculated. Their rates change from such as 29% at $1,000 and 0 at $32,900 for child number 1 in 2025. These complex numbers can be graphed and simplified with 3 lines. Then the 658 numbers can be replaced by 3 lines simply. Federal earned income tax credits and their rates have similar situations with different starting percents. One of our research papers has its discussions. There are 4 graphs for child numbers from 0, 1, 2, and 3. For each group, 3 lines may be used to show their rate relationships for current California earned income tax credits over average earned incomes, such as 34% from 0 to $9,000, 34% to 3.4% from $9,000 to $18,000, and then to 0 from $18,000 to about $33,000 for child number 2. 1 flat rate and 2 simple line rates can be used for California Earned Income Tax Credit rate. For such as child number 2, its first flat rate is 34%. Then 2 lines from 34% to 3.4% and to 0%. 34% and 2 simple rate formulas can be used. Then 658 ranges and 2,632 tax credit numbers can be eliminated. Linear line rates are fairer and simpler than curve rates. They can be simplified and replaced simply. $32,900 in 2025 is changed from $30,000 in 2021. The $32,900 may be simplified to $33,000. Rates of existing earned income tax credit over earned income are reduced rapidly in curves with some cliff problem when earned income from $9,000 to $18,000 for child number 2 or 3, and from $7,000 to $11,000 for child number 1. One simple line and its rate formula are more fair and simple than flat and curve. California Earned Income Tax Credit and rate calculations may be further simplified with one simple line formula for each qualifying child group. Linear line rates are fairer and simpler than flat and curve rates. Original 658 steps and 2,632 tax credit numbers can be eliminated. They can be simplified. Here are some examples. Between 2025 and 2021, there are more earned income tax credit changes. We have related research publications about state tax systems, including California tax system, and their simplification with one exiting formula and one simple line formula within 2 brackets, which are good enough for state tax simplification. You may review these research papers and publications, which involve individual and corporation income tax simplifications. Tax simplification can be some solution for tax administration and related problems. Our key is to use one existing formula and one simple line formula in tax rate and tax format instead of current tax format, which is a good improvement to simplify current tax systems. This tax simplification has its benefits. Lawmakers can simplify current complex tax system with less factors. Multiple tax brackets and tables are too complex. A flat rate is too simple, rough, and unfair with such as fairness, basic living cost, revenue, and public service problems. Taxpayers may use one or half-page tax return form to reduce time and costs. Businesses may do not need complex withholding tables and formulas. Department of Revenue can reduce related processing time and cost. Its 15 benefits may worth $1 billion for California. We have following conclusions. To simplify existing 9 tax brackets to 2, eliminate complex 29-page withholding tables and 215 formulas. Existing 2 sub-tax systems for businesses and people can be combined together simply. One or half-page tax return form is possible. The Earned Income Tax Credits table with 658 steps and 2,632 numbers can be eliminated and replaced with 1 or 3 smooth lines simply. Its 15 benefits may save $1 billion for California. You may check Table 6. If you like, we suggest you to contact your state senators and assemblypersons to reform and simplify your state tax system for saving time and costs for your state government, businesses, and people. The saved tax revenue may be used for other applications, such as education and health services. You may review our websites here. If you have any question and suggestion, would you please contact us? Thank you for your watching.